Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to install Android Studio on your Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now first of all, to install Android Studio, you need to have Java installed on your computer. So for that, just click on command prompt and type java --version. Now after typing that, just press enter and see that the message has come. The Java version 15.0.1 has been rightly installed on your computer. So if you get similar type of message, then you just know that Java has been installed on your computer. If you get any different message like Java has not been recognized as an internal or external command, something like that, then you just know that Java has not been installed on your computer. So for that, you need to first install Java. So I just made a video on how to install Java in Windows 10. So I will put the link in the description. You can just first go to that link and just know how to install Java. First install Java and then you need to install Android Studio. Alright. So now as you can see that Java has been installed on my computer. So now I will proceed to install Android Studio. So for that I will just open Google Chrome and type Android Studio download for Windows. Now the first one is an ad. So depending upon in what time you are installing this Android Studio, you might get some different ad. But what you need to do is you need to click on the second link, that is this developer.android.com. so just click on that. Yeah. Now just click on this download Android Studio. It is 896 MB file. And now just check these terms and conditions and click on download Android Studio for Windows. Now I have already downloaded Android Studio, so I'll just cancel it and I will install from the downloaded file. So just after completion of your download, just double click on your downloaded file and just wait for a few seconds. Just accept it and now click on next. Yeah. So you need to have 2.7 GB of space, as you can see. Just click on next. Now the installation is going to be done in the C directory. If you want to install in some other directory, then just click on browse and save as per your destination. Otherwise just simply click next. And now just click on install, and as you can see the installation has already been started. It will take some time, maybe a minute or two, and then I'll get back to you. Yeah, so now it's been completed. So just click on show details and check whether it's been installed correctly or not. Yeah, it's completed. So now just click next. Now just click on finish to start your Android Studio. Now if you have previously installed Android Studio, then you need to click on this config or installation folder. Otherwise, if you are installing Android Studio for the first time, then just simply click on do not input settings and just click on OK. Now your Android Studio has been launched. Few files need to be downloaded, so you need to have an active internet connection right throughout the installation. As you can see, our Android Studio is currently downloading some add-ons. Now if you want to send your user statistics to Google, then you can click on send. I will just simply click don't send. I don't want to send any statistics to Google, so I'll just click don't send. And now it's telling that Android Studio 4.2 beta 2 is available. It's a beta version, so I will not recommend to download it now, so I'll just cancel it and I will just click next. Now there is basically two options. One is standard installation, another is a custom installation. Now it depends upon you which one you want to choose. If you want to go for standard installation, then just simply click next, and now you will see that this Android emulator will be installed right at the beginning. I don't want that. I will recommend you to use your Android smartphone so that you can test your app right at your phone, not some virtual device. So for that I will just simply click Previews, and then I will click on this custom installation. Yeah. And now there is basically two theme option. One is a Dracula, another is light one. I generally need to code at night, so you know, like the dark theme is generally best suited for your eyes. Now if you want to go for light, then you can just simply keep it default and just click next. Otherwise click on Dracula. I will go for Dracula. So now I will go for next. Now as I said earlier that I don't need Android emulator because I will test my app on my phone. So for that I don't necessarily require 1.15 GB install on my device. So I'll just simply uncheck that, and I don't need this Intel Hexam because it's for a virtual device. So I'll just simply uncheck it and just click on next. Now just click finish. So after that the real downloading will start. So at the back, so as I said earlier, you need to have a stable internet connection right throughout this installation. I'll just speed this up and I will come back after downloading. And now my installation has been finished. I'll just click on finish, and now just click on create new project. Now just click empty activity and click on next. Now for testing purpose I will just keep it default, and I will just change this minimum and SDK version to Marshmallow. Now just simply click on finish. Now to build Gradle, Android Studio also need to download some packages. So for that it will take some time. So just as I said earlier, you need to have a stable internet connection. Just wait for a few minutes to download the Gradle, and then we'll come back shortly. Now my Gradle build has been completed, so I will now just test my app. So for that I will just click on this res, that is this resource directory, and then click on layout, and then I'll just minimize this new section and just click on this activity main activity, and now this is the layout that I'm going to see on my phone, that is this hello world program. So for that, as I said earlier, I will be testing you on my Android phone. I will also recommend same for you guys. So just use your data cable to connect your Android phone with your computer. Now you need to have your developer mode option enabled on your phone for testing this app. So I have already made a video on how to enable your developer option on your phone. So I'll just put a link in the description. You can watch that if it's required. Otherwise, if you have already enabled your developer option on your phone, then you'll just see this pop up. Now it's just telling that if you want to allow your phone for debugging, so for that they have given this RSA key fingerprint. I have hide this for security purpose. You will get also similar type of RSA key. So just check always allow from this computer and just click on OK. Yeah, and now just click on file transfer. After that you will get your Android device right over here, and now all you need to do is you need to just click on this run button. Now after clicking that, it will take some time to build Gradle, and then it will install on your phone. So here we are. We have rightly installed our first app on our phone, and it is our Hello World Android app. Now if you wanna change a little bit of code, like changing this hello world from hello everyone, and just again run it. Now here on the phone, as you can see that it's updated from hello world to hello everyone. So congratulations, you have just installed your first Android app on your phone. So that's all about this video, like how to install Android Studio on Windows 10. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.